Hi, I'm Finn. I'm originally from Abertawe, and then I went to Imperial to study bioengineering. Now after graduating I really want to work with environment and work back in Cymru, and I saw this really great opportunity with MSpark Skills Academy to come and work here with Anishagar and work on community energy projects, which is really exciting to me. Today we've come out to see the community wind turbine in Salem, which is really exciting. It is much bigger than I thought it would be, but it's amazing to see. Community energy and renewable energy as a whole is really important to me. With the climate emergency at the moment, I think this is exactly what the career I want to go down and hopefully make an impact on. So at the moment I'm looking towards finding generators so that we can make a community energy club in Llandovery. And then, so day to day I'm looking at the electrical maps around Llandovery, trying to find generators that could hopefully help us. So it's really nice to be working back in Wales with a Welsh company where they're encouraging me to speak Welsh. I'm taking lessons every Tuesday, and it's really nice to actually hear the Welsh language being used, which is not often where I'm from in Wales.